This is the trademarked Ultimate Skylounger. We have put all the quality that you expect from a Bridgeton product into this Skylounger. We've partnered with Sunbrella Fabrics. We've added steel and powder coat construction for sturdy rigidity. We have added drink holders and functionality. As you relax and float and enjoy the best of nature, after a hard day's work, you go outdoors and you sit in your Skylounger and you appreciate what nature really is. Yes, you can purchase this direct with free delivery. Don't miss this opportunity. Click below, follow the instructions, and you can order your Skyloungers today at this incredible price. So this is an opportunity for you to join the thousands of people who are now experiencing maybe the sport of Skylounging. Skylounging is a sport for everyone. In fact, you're going to have a hard time getting on it if you have children. So take advantage of this direct-to-the-public offer with free freight and purchase your Skyloungers today.